Hey everyone, good evening my peoples, good evening my peoples, muck to the bit is ang. What's going on everyone? How is everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Yeah, it's your girl Lynn Halla1 coming to you live. So this is kind of funny mukbang, whatever, but it's a reason behind it. So today I have steamed shrimp, macaroni and cheese, and this is the, what's the name of it? Macaroni and cheese. Oh, rice. I got it from it's Soul Boat. I had got some food from them last night and it was pretty good. It was really good. So reason why I have this is because I can't have nothing fried right now. My stomach is acting up. Every time I made a mistake and had something fried the other night, not last night, the other night before last, and when I eat a fast food, I don't know if it ever happened for a restaurant, a sit-down restaurant, but anyway, whenever, yeah, because it happened with KFC. Every time when I guess if the grease is not clean, then it does something to me. It messes up my stomach, and I have cornbread. So, can I say my grace? Father in heaven, thank you for the food which I'm about to receive. Nourishment to my body for Christ's sake. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. So, how's everyone doing today? I'm kind of undecided. I hope that margarine don't mess up my stomach either. She said these were small. They small? You think? They ain't all that small. So in this place, Soul Boat, shout out to my daughter, because she the one told me about it, the Shorty Bear. Soul Boat is reasonable. Like 30 shrimp, $6.45 I think. Oxtails, rice, and gravy. and 2 sides. I think that's $10.95. The shrimp was good too. Macaroni and cheese is alright. I already know I'm not going to eat all that macaroni and cheese. Either D going to eat it, my partner in crime, or my son. Good. I mean, they are kind of small. I can go for some larger shrimp, but the thing is, I have to take what I get, because normally where I get my shrimp from, Alaskan Crab House, they close, well, early on the Sunday. So in the cornbread, just taste it. That cornbread is good, y'all. I think what I'm with Newton is I mean, not eating, drinking is some salsa water. I'm gonna try the Mandarin wow. I don't know what the orange one. Okay. Good for some? Oh, shoot. Here for some. It's getting smaller and smaller, right? But that's okay. That's okay. That's alright. Just know this food is out of sight. I hope it's not a, Ew, I'm glad I pulled it out. Oh gosh, it was a piece of the vein. Mmm. Mmm. I'm so hungry. It don't even feel like. It doesn't even feel like the food is touching my stomach. It feels so empty down there. Have anyone ever felt like that? Mm-mm-mm. I'm playing in my cookout. I want ribs there, chicken, burgers, hot dogs. Homemade burgers. I think next time I'm gonna get the jumbo shrimp. You get 11 jumbo shrimp for $9. I think that's what it's at. And 22 for 16, I think. So I'm gonna see how big these jumbos be. I went to church today. It was awesome. Last night I had the oxtails, rice, gravy, cabbage, and yams. It is so good. Although I say Soul Boat, their food is so good. It's Koreans. They can cook. They need to have some. They could you can sit down and eat, but the plates are so tiny, but they stay busy and always ran out of food. come on. They done messed up because it got the vein in it. I don't know what D out there doing. Good man. I should have just left it at the, see, look at this one. I should have just left it at the shrimp and the rice. But like I said, that mac and cheese would not go bad. Nope. And I gotta make a phone call too, wrong. Well, I know I will not be going here alone. You feel me? I can say these shrimps are kinda small, but they do have a good taste to it. Well, tomorrow I have my friends. I'm gonna get fell in the container, not on the table. And I know that old Jaya, whew. So, you know why I haven't even sang happy birthday to people? I don't know if any of my subscribers' birthday is today, but if so, allow me to sing happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And this one she might have cooked too long, but guess what? It's still good. Let me make sure. I don't know what the heck he damn is doing. And then after I eat, I'm gonna have to go. I'm going to the laundromat. tastes good. It tastes so good. Hey, what's going on? Well, peoples, I'm going to have to go because my cousin just came in. And I don't want to be sitting here. Talk. You want to taste this shrimp?
No.
They taste good.
I'm not even hungry. I ain't eat my food. I just got it for later.
Oh, okay.
Because I had not too long to eat a sandwich.
Oh, okay. Alright, y'all. So, I'm Grego. You may see me at the laundromat. You may not. But until next time, peace. Be blessed. I'm gone. Have a stress-free weekend. God bless you. Love you.